The push-up is an exercise that develops and tests your core engagement and upper body strength. You're going to start the push-up by getting into a plank position. Hands on the floor, shoulders above your hands, and your body is engaged from your feet all the way up to your shoulders. So we're not sagging at the hips, we're not lifting here at the butt either, okay? Try to keep your body, your back as flat to the ground as possible. When you come down into the bottom position of the push-up, think about coming forward a little bit so that your elbows go back more than they go to the side. We're not looking for lateral movement in the shoulders. We're looking for rotational movement so your elbows come back. Okay, just like you're doing a bench press. You start down here and you come up to the line of the shoulders. We're not doing this. We're not coming away and apart from each other. We're coming down towards our chest. Okay, so your shoulders come forward a little bit as you come down. Your whole body moves together as one unit. So when I'm down here on the ground, I'm not pulling up here first, right? This is not a push-up. My hips are hitting the ground before my shoulders do anything. When you come to the bottom position, you want your shoulder to be below the top of your knee, just like a squat. This is my hips, this is my knee. Sorry, I said knee before, this is elbow. Your shoulder comes down to the top of your elbow, just like a squat if this was my hip and my knee, okay? The same position you see in the squat is the same position you see in the push-up. Okay? One thing to remember, if push-ups are challenging and you're trying to get better at them, one of the things that we do not do push-ups from the floor with our knees. You want to get a bench, get a box. You bring the floor up to you to make it easier. This allows you to maintain a full plank core engagement through the movement, okay, and get better with all pieces of it. All right, so keys to remember, it's a plank that you go to the floor. That's all it is. All right, when you're developing and getting better at the push-up, bring the floor up to you. Don't do it from your knees.